Diabetes breakfast, healthy and delicious options. A proper diabetes breakfast helps to control your blood sugar levels throughout the day. Here are some healthy and delicious options. Fiber-rich breakfast. Oats. Oats are high in fiber, which allows blood sugar to rise slowly. You can eat oats by mixing them with yogurt, nuts, or seeds. Dalia. Dalia is also rich in fiber. You can make it more delicious by adding vegetables or fruits to the porridge. Eggs with vegetables. Eggs are a good source of protein that keeps you full for a long time. You can eat eggs by boiling them or making an omelette and eating them with vegetables. Protein-rich breakfast. Yogurt. Yogurt is rich in protein and calcium. You can eat yogurt by mixing fruits or nuts. Paneer. Paneer is also a good source of protein. You can eat paneer by frying it with vegetables or adding it to a salad. Fish. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which are good for the heart. You can eat fish by grilling or baking it. Other healthy options. Fruits. Fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber. You can eat fruits like apples, pears, oranges or berries. Vegetables. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber. You can eat vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots or capsicum. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds contain protein, fiber and healthy fats. You can eat almonds, walnuts, raisins or sunflower seeds. Notes. Food quantity. You should not eat too much at once. Meal timing. You should eat meals regularly. Eating pattern. You should eat slowly and chew well. Doctor's advice. You should talk to your doctor to make the best diet plan for you. Disclaimer. This information is for general information only and should not be taken as a substitute for any medical advice. Always consult your doctor for any health problem. Do you want to know anything else?